This video tutorial of today quickly walks you through on how to draft professional email for a particular thing using the Gemini content in Gmail. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to open your Chrome browser. Once your Chrome browser opens, visit gmail.com and log in. I'm on my inbox right now, so let's now compose the email. So I'll click on compose button. So this opens this small page by the side here, but I want you to get down to this place straight. Sometimes if you click here, you may see that you should press the forward slash of your keyboard, all right, for it to activate this. So sometimes when you open it, you don't see it here immediately. So let me press that, though I'm already there. So I'll press that. You can see it has taken me to this place, all right. So now let's draft an email. You know the email you want to draft. Maybe you are planning to write a letter to your manager telling him that you'll be absent from work on maybe the next 2 days or next 3 days because you have an important occasion, or your baby child is not feeling fine, or maybe you need a medical care. So you know how you want to draft it, what you want to write about. Okay, so describe it here, and after that you will see the send button that will allow you to send it. So let me now describe mine here. Okay, and I'm done with my description. It says draft a professional email requesting a projector from Godwin Tech manager Godwin Mike. All right, this projector is to be used to address students in on the importance of digital skills in our world of today on July 5th, 2026. You can see I included the date. Okay, so when you include the date and tell the AI what the letter you're writing or the email you're drafting is all about, it will give you more accurate answer. So once you finish doing that, click on this submit button. And here we are. Dear Godwin Mike, I'm writing to formally request the use of a projector for an upcoming presentation on July 5th, 2026. The first thing I want you to point out here is to notice here is presentation. So I was thinking about this word for some time, and here the AI has now given to me is going to be a presentation. All right, the equipment is needed to deliver a session to students regarding the importance of digital skills in today's world. So because of time, I will not read through to the end, but it's professionally crafted. All right, here I can include my name. All right, let's say the person requesting in this case is, let's say, Godwin Benz. All right, Benz. Okay, beautiful. So I can remove this because this has access to the data I have in my Outlook as well as in my Gmail. So you notice that the name I used to create this Gmail account is Godwin Tech. That's why I included that. So let's say in this case I'm Godwin Benz or Mike Benz, anything. So include your name. If there is anywhere he wants you to take action as a person personally, you got to tell it, just like as he said I should include my name. So after that, you can see by the bottom here now he still has some options. All right, maybe you want it to polish the email. You can experiment. Click on it to see how it will look like. The next thing it will generate for you, you can see it has polished the email and gave me another version, but it still conveys the same message. Okay, so this one is formalized. We want it to look so formal. Just click on this, it will turn it to look formal. All right, and not just maybe friendly or casual. All right, so if you want it to be friendly, maybe you know the manager and you guys relate on personal level, just click on this friendly. It will change everything and give it to you in a friendly way. You can see it comes with best regards. So know what you want to write about, instruct the AI on what you want it to do, and then send. It will give you a lot of good professional information. Then this one is shorten. Maybe you feel this is too long and you want it to shorten it, just click on this shorten. All right, it will shorten the email so quick. Then once you're done, recipients, so that's add the email address of the manager. So let me add the email here. See, So I have it on my contact. So as I'm typing is suggested, I'll click on it. There's subject. I can just say, okay, request for projector. So that's cool. So once you're done with this, the next step is to click on send. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, including AI. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment and hit the like button. See you some other time.